Here we've got iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let me show you how to activate headphones notifications. So if you are listening to your music too loud, iPhone will provide you with a notification that it's not that good for your ears. So if you'd like to receive such information, just open the settings, then find and pick accessibility, and here you need to click on audio and visual. It's right here. And you will notice headphone notifications. Here they are. So as you can see, to protect your hearing, iPhone sends a notification if you've been listening to loud headphone audio for long enough to affect your hearing. So if you would like to get to know it, just mark the switcher, and from now on it is active. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.